Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to save a location on Waze, okay? So first go ahead and launch up Waze, and then all you need to do is swipe up right here, okay? Swipe this up, and then you'll see more options. For example, here you can click on New, okay? Click on New, and then we can search an address to save that location. So for example, let's type in Wilson Airport, right? So let's save this location. So here it is searching for it. And then I can just go ahead and click on this. And we can give it a name and then just click on a done. Now this will be saved as a location. What you can also do is come here where it says home. You can hold there and click on edit home. And you can enter your new home address. For example, let's do this one right here. Okay, let's go back here and type this in. And now you can go ahead and choose your new home address and that will be saved, okay? And it's really that easy and simple.